mal le chang dar chai nyor ka dung dit media ka chang jandang rawu de bangwan ka pai bangwan ka ron kin dang rawu de jandang rawu de diech ban mak bangut gok ba yendong lar de la no yeni chang ka dung dit media ka tin tuwa ka Junub Sudan ka de win mon do den dung dit media gwa le tung nuara la jong ne yeni chang yen ne ko le ngane tin gor ne ka dung dit media me ko mi ran jo me jak online ko share ko like we share ka be like ba wadun wan ba ko chob ne kor le tung nuara na me ba ka jaje ka akbar la tuk ler tin tum ne ga na an wala ka chang yen nang ra de bangwan jis kon dial kana won kon dial ta ga jub ta gwa lo ka dan lo ka kwi rek ma char ka ne kon de cha ka ken cha yeno akbar no worun ka ta dan de tong je wala u luk ni me ya tong ni chang e la nong ne yedin tuok tin ka chang ni man ko ya kam nyal ka ri zen da na ka bo je nyam go je nu ko ngun ni la nong ne ge pe ta fasil ka wat ken lu no worun cha ko la de ko ne ka ko din dang reality te la question ni te cha te re jo ko me chu ke lew ken boss team ala defending team ne garama char kana persecuting team ne self care so kan na tar ken ja la di mandan ko kan de ku lo kam na dan wale as a beginning of court ka chang wan dien ka nyur akan mar ko ra jo dien ko the results of tadialato ko ngun bara nyogo yen man rai ko wona ne cha kap jok cha kap ka chang do ka jok lu ri chang ja nang do de kel ka pai bangwan takriban mu wa jane no ko ya kap no ko nguni ka de bu to ka chang mi tin kon kwa la kap jok so kan ko dang raw ko mar wa jo dien pro pal pin u be li ngwa ka ta da na cha la ni me li ko na pane o presiding judge alla ne dang jok ton kon lo ko lung niam dien bi go ben kay job ne la na sare ka ken de kon de ja tie defend team ke je niam competencies of court ko court mem ja establish held the competencies state jurisdiction ko be pass by president be sitting bus pass by president me partner kamal ni tain kamal be look te lo vibrate court so question niam no question lo yo la wona ne kap chonga kap ka by president chonga je it was illegal tire ta ya la de kan worun ka kan question de ya te chang da ne defend team ko de job ne ken de ku no wala plus wo chi persecuting team che lawyer to kon la presiding ja cha ka te ku te ne da ro top part of defend team to go ne the state has den they verify kan wa ko ne la worun nam cho ko tuong ma chang dar ka tha bang wan gwa da na to ko nyur ra yele ne ye ku ne de nong nyal presiding judge cha wa wo question de kon te cha te defend team cha ko wa sar in opposite cha ban nyal ga point ko jurisdiction of court me that establish can take a jurisdiction ko de pass by president de trial de look the reason can see law lakin lugu ba lung nije a wood hybrid court that's supposed to do it man supposed to order and look both side can establish so go can establish there is no need to wait for that establishment akanishi wo cha gor ko ganun wo yes is the right wo ganun of South Sudan today re malam ro continue idere pass by president there try lakin ko can court in responsible court ko can establish the way out by you trying you see the nature of politically motivated trial ta na nang road so she ban yal gam point me point mo ko can ba case ba trial can court mo take a jurisdiction so an sare na chuwa positive ko kai chula an sare kam ko ne kon la persecuting judge ko ne daro ke kon te cha question ken ka defending team cha ke bar from entering cha ka peno wo ko team bulu wo victory ka mi ya kam ka court and wala man do dia na ta da na ji kon ne ni ready chon ka ne opening speech la accusation kelu ta nan chala da kan ku natar Chane nen ko yel ta ya right ni chang dan ram suspect number 1 e pot kang kana mampal chu wono ka line mi she line mo so mo no ga ta na cha conclude wale malar ga ye wo ko da establish your take jurisdiction le jan presiding team nyo da jago men ci dot pin cha la gathering of evidence ne te kon te evidence kien ti la ra ne wo ngai je puch ta pot kang ki an ran cha accuse te ga mi le ne ke 1 2 3 mana tu kan ido ngan pintin ba bentok ken changa wanatin lo ne changa do ko jo kon tin changa yang do ko ke la pai bangwan so mi cher ke no ajana na lip kon ba ko la ro ne do ma na chot ke presiding team cha ko lo ni ka monitoring ni warun ni ka ta na no kon monitor ga ko suppose sa ba dak le ka mal chop ka call daga mal chuptin ko de talk as usual lakini early in the morning hour chiga delay she can three presiding judge she can chip kake she delay in the middle ti larga je o che ke president Salva Kiir kai je ke bolmel in which the results of jegdien gene to jene te ko larje ko kan ko de me kan establish manar bana look ka ga nun jinu Sudan. So na moja bani algaje chiga dak pin ko team ni ken tete la ga ko ne that is not the point ko our justification chada go kan court me can establish ko the question of why can hybrid court can establish would taro continue the go ne in case of one ne ba opposition ba tried now is a politically motivated is the enemy buku enemy ko ja try ko tera neutrality in this process. So right me right mo jan dan to content ko court is to continuous. Bado ko ben ko ne be ko continuous. E case indien mila priority you know ta nen kon me ko trending ka social media. E case nothing. So in case Nather, again, con all those accusations, think take filing the content number 1, number 2, weapon number 8. Plus, the content are convicted, think are accused in absentia. So you know, turn down then con who case Kelly, a case Nather. A case Nather who name content are accused, number of them, a big number of them, a Nather. So Jana took no pot kang, Jawaga Mampal, Jawaga William Poch. So what can I content are accused in absence? The Kang Makanatin, the late Torgilatin, the Kang Myong Tetin, Tog Dor Chul Tetin, they talk on the Alkuru with Yakai Nather. So inform you, now con other issues to Banaguiku El Kit. A case Nather, Mulunichut, which Walgan Majur, and I can make in the contage parish in the battle. So currently all content part of our analysis to mat congre cherry con. Mendo dia ne one so Sudan. Sirmala loy ne ni changanu our objective as opposition, as a revolutionary. We want to see this country peaceful. Wa mungo amre na changtin. So no chabia peaceful. A system and an logo and be coexistent coming up peacefully will be maintained. But to go and Shiganu, you know, Sudan, Kanamal, Shikakan, Shikalat, our position as opposition, a Wokondial, is still going on with our revolutionary activities. And then go court, tell way forward, tell a ganun go University Sudan, can't have done a charizal no gaje wale. Can you the woman? Allah are access. Menkula take a revitalized transitional government of national unity. Collapse. Here part of our political formation today in South Sudan. To collapse. jen wo kono ne na ko laru ne me can hybrid court me can establish tell another court me de pass by president me de tried until I establish an hybrid court. Therefore, work kujime ngai kene wone ne yes hybrid court is needed, and the reason and I establish a one side decision depend you over malas pela maji. You the jago wone ne a chim a boar. Go now, for example, you try the opposition official. We will try the Aspella Maji official. Can case nit young case nit. Because they have all the cases with them. To you, you go in and me hybrid court, can court me neutral, which I establish, cannot be begin with podcast. There are many people to go to noon Kakajin of Sudan. Kakanjang. So, Muluru, Kokon Kennedy. We cannot talk about the law or country tell law. But I know Congo and yes, Rengmachar, Japan, under the enemy, that trap. They will try everything that they want. Congo position, Jetala condition and revolution is not for one person. Koran Koram Kel. They're for the future of our children, for the future of this country. That Rengmachar deal can those issues in Juba, and we deal with other issues. Tinang any revolution. So, right here, and in summary, we are telling you about the response, I mean the results of today's session. Lan Chamang Wandian, can look Rengmachar. And who she presiding judge, Chigo Benyal, can say on the contrary. Me Chimajan Wagway Kede can Benyal Gaye. I will support the positions of the persecuting judge, Alajikum. And the reasons, Gentaya Latku and a consultation in the middle. She and judge, she take a meeting with the can President Kir, can a ball mel. What intimidation, what take a briberies. And the only reason that they say we court may take a jurisdiction, a whole can yes, Chiaga noon lakin, who can hybrid court can establish. We can proceed with the law of South Sudan. And the question of who can hybrid court can establish you, the answer. And the question of one and a Canadian can call the side of the conflicting parties, Chiaga Spella Maji, and a bigger trial, a court then bigger trial. The answer. So many of the OHM, a kangaroo court, Manalimija, a Manawanda and a Chopectin. So Manadian Chala point Kuan and Jine Laralu, let us continue with our revolutionary activities. A Chimao, there is a difficulties to work a job. What a Congo, because revolution is not for one person. Take on our future, the future of our children, the future of our country. So no Canada con which all Kenyan Chang Walame, Barranyo Murai con, Chetke point go and a core Nindangra with the content. One of the Changa Joga Jok, Muluni Chang and Angu Bangwan, Kapai Bangwan, Kununitin Bao to look immole. Chakola and Nimbo, Carrera Dan go tin Bao to look mole, big wow Kisney, a la cases of Nather. Brahman and more witness, care several witness, because Benyal. Who about case Nicky and the corner like one and a man about egg, Bako. So there, Barago Kogi. Because Nicky and Cool Benyal, but artificial intelligence pictures to Bao generator can get used Kongu, we still go to follow. Banagagui. So Taro can the corner cholo Kenyan Changa Walame, and thanks, Baranyo Mijakon.